Now, I've managed to secure you some really special bonuses down below, so go down below and have a look at those, and make sure that you view under this video because the opening time is available there as well. Now, Ad Hero is a new software that I'm really excited about. The reason I'm excited about it is ads play such a part in what we do online. They're a key component of how you can monetize a website and also advertise over places like Facebook or around the web. What this software does is it makes it really easy to create ads. You can create ads for banners, you can create ads for standard ad sizes, all the main sizes that you would need to create an ad for, you can do it through Ad Hero. I haven't quite seen a software that does this and combines all of these different components into one place before, and it's going to be really useful if you're looking to do any sort of paid advertising either for yourself or your clients moving forward. You can select which ad you want, and then from there you can move on to the next step and you can actually design your ad and customize it based on the template that they provide you here. It's a full ad editor inside of this system. There's also a number of other features that I want to show you today, but there's a really great video that the creator Neil Napier has created about Ad Hero and how it works. So I really encourage you to watch right through to the end of this video because it'll show you all the different steps that you need to apply to successfully create high converting ads with Ad Hero.
And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can use Ad Hero. Before I go in and I show you all the steps, let me show you some of the banners that we had created with this. As you can see, there are about 12 different elements in it, and you can build different kind of animations with those elements. As you can see, when finally done, this is what the banner would look like. I can't show you this right now, but at the end, when the video is all done and dusted, then a character will just fly in from the right, and you can configure all of that by simply using this object list and animating each and every object just by clicking at it. So if you click here, you can animate up this object so it flies from say left or right or pops out, whatever you want to do. Then there's another banner that we had created. This is a much simpler one, but as you can see, this is an effect that we brought on by adding different kind of images to it. So the idea is that you can create a lot of different kind of banners with it. This is another banner that we had created, and if I show you this, again, very simple but very effective when you're using videos. Of course, you can use YouTube videos as well. I'll show you that, but it's always better if you're using MP4 files. And if you want to give animation to objects, all you have to do is click here and animate them. Let's go in then and look at another campaign. If I preview this, this is for GoPro, and as you'll see, it's all animated, not just with the video, but with the objects as well. So you can do multiple different kind of animations here. This is another one. Let's check this out. There we go. This is for, I believe, Game of Thrones, or rather the International Dota Championship. So you can create multiple different banners based on your settings. And again, this is finally the Game of Thrones one, which is something a lot of Game of Thrones fans would quite easily recognize. Okay, so let's start creating a new campaign, and I'll show you step by step exactly what you need to do to be able to create your campaigns. The very first thing is you need to give your campaign a name as well as a landing page URL. So let's put that in now. Alright, so in this case we've called the campaign Six Pack Abs, and the landing page URL is our affiliate link, which whenever someone clicks will take them straight to the sales page, and if they make a purchase we get paid. So let's click on next and then choose a design that we can work with. So already you get a few designs that you can start using, a few template designs, but if you want something different, you can simply go ahead and choose a custom size. But if you don't want to do that, you can also choose a design size like this. So if I preview it, you can see exactly what the ad would look like with animation, and if you want, you can simply go ahead and use this design and you can change it as you want. So already we have this design, but as you can see, we can zoom in and we can zoom out as well. Let's zoom in a bit so we can see what different elements it has. As you can see, it has 13 different objects. So if I click on one, this is an object that has animation built in. If I click here, this is another object that has animation built in too. This is another text-based object that has animation built in. So let's edit these and let's make it something different, more in line with exactly what we want to promote. Editing text is as simple as double clicking here, or if you want, you can also add new text like this and move it around and put it anywhere you want. If of course you don't need it, simply press delete and it will go away. All the text and images that you want to be shown in the banner need to be inside this canvas. So let's go ahead and let's start editing this ad a bit more to suit our needs. So we have already changed the text here to suit our needs. We're going to change the image in a few minutes, but for now I want to show you the cloning feature. What I mean by that is you can select any text that you want, and you can simply click here and you can duplicate it. When you duplicate it, automatically gets put in the canvas and you can change the text as you want. Let's change that right now. There we go, that's all the text configured. Now the next step is the images. As you can see, these are multiple elements, and of course we can get rid of them. Let's get rid of them now. There we go. So we've gotten rid of multiple elements that were pasted inside this, and now we can create our own. We can bring in any image that we have. We can also bring in a video. So let's go ahead and do that. To be able to add videos, all you need to do is click here, add video, and then you can either choose a video from your own computer, you can choose an MP4 file, or you can choose a YouTube or Vimeo link. And when you do that, you need to put in a video starting and end time. So let me go ahead and bring my own file. So now I have a video where maybe I'm selling a program related to truth about abs or six-pack abs, and I put that video in, but let's take 0 to 10 seconds of that. So we don't want to take the whole thing. Instead, we just want to take the first 10 seconds because we know that will create the most impact. Let me come back to this once the video has uploaded. Depending on the file size, it will take between a few seconds to a few minutes. But here's the thing, this is what the video looks like right now. At the moment you can't see it. If you try and preview it, you will be able to see what the video looks like. But we want it to be bigger and we want it to take more space. So let's do that. Let's stretch it out a bit more so we can put it right within this canvas. There we go. As you can see, this is maybe taking up too much space, but this is crucial if you want to get your message across. Let's stretch it and see what the result looks like. There you go. Again, it could even be better. So let's just stretch it a bit more. There we go. So this is how easy it is for you to put in your own videos into these advertisements. Of course, I could change this to be something completely different. And as you can see, the audio at the moment is muted, just to show you some other features as well. If you wanted to put in your own audio, you can put that as well. If you wanted to put in some images, you can do that as well. At the moment, we give you a library and we're going to add a few more images moving forward. If you wanted to upload one, of course, from your computer, you can do that as well. And then we give you multiple objects as well that you could put into. So for example, if I click on sports, I can already see the different icons available with this. So I can just take one of these. Let's go for this one, and I can reduce the size of this and I can put it anywhere on the canvas. So I can put it right, let's say there. There we go. And if I preview this again, you'll see how the ad looks like. And again, not all the elements are animated, so I could click here, add some animation. So I could say start at 2 seconds and fly from the top. For this one, I could say start at 3 seconds and just pop out. So let's go and look at what the ad looks like now. There we go. So again, I think this one wasn't saved, so yeah, we didn't animate it eventually. But once you're done and once you're happy with it, simply click on publish, and you can now put this on any blog that you want. You can now put these animated banners on any of your website. All you need to do is copy one of these codes. I would always recommend copying the responsive one. You can choose player settings. You can let the video loop over and over again, or we're adding something new in as well, with which you'll be able to let people rewatch the video again, rewatch the whole animation if they missed it. Or again, if you want to do Facebook ads, you can simply download this as a JPEG as well. And again, it's very, very easy to insert this into the right places. So again, I hope you've enjoyed this demo. If you have any questions at all, do not hesitate to contact us on support desk. We'd be more than happy to respond to you and get access to this offer as soon as you can, because it is available for a limited time only.